Okay, so here we are at the World Championships for janky contraptions and janky ideas. We have a really major piece we got to lower down the elevator, and I'm kind of embarrassed to show it to you, so let's just check it out anyway. Okay, so we have an interesting contraption to help us get all the stuff out, and it is a almost a 2-ton electric hoist. So we've rigged up this basket here, which will be able to load and bring stuff down, which will save a ton of time. Okay, we're ready. It's kind of janky. Go ahead. There she goes. Okay. Ready? Go ahead. Okay, unhook that power cable. All right. Watch toes. Here we go. Oh my gosh, all right. One trip done. 9,642 and a half to go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Hold on. Whew, made it. Okay, here it is. This is like a machinist workstation. And unfortunately, this is not in the auction. It's already been purchased. But what we're hoping is that once we lift it, we won't do damage to this back part here. So, oh, we did mess up. Look at that. Remember, safety third. We missed that back leg. Oh my gosh. That would have been a catastrophe. Okay, wish us luck. I hope we don't kill ourselves. Huh? That has to just hook, yeah, to something. Yeah. Put that camera down. Pay attention to what you're doing. All right. Yeah. Oh, hold it. Right. Yeah, that. I'm not sure that's gonna work. No. I think you have to just hold on. Hook this to that.
This.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie either. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Should we try it? Hey, that's gonna push you off when you lift that.
I'm just thinking of this stuff.
All right. Okay.
Not ready to die.
Oh, we messed up again. This is embarrassing. I can't post this. Look. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we're still alive so far. It looks pretty okay now. So let's go. What do you need? Okay, yeah. All right. The trick is not to let us, yeah, we gotta make sure that this stuff doesn't hang up. So, yeah, I don't want that door to get damaged, so. Okay, so we're still alive so far. It looks pretty okay now, so let's go. What do you need? Okay, yeah. All right. The trick is not to let us, yeah, we gotta make sure that this stuff doesn't hang up. So, yeah, I don't want that door to get damaged, so. Okay, keep coming.
Perfect.
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta push up this gate. Okay, hold on. Stop. Okay. All right. Keep coming. Yep. Okay. You know what? We did it. Woo! Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Woo. So now that puppy can go out here on just a rolling cart and make it down the drive-up ramp. We're up here on the second floor, as you can see. We have like a semi-truck ramp access. And so I'd say the battle is won. We're still alive. Okay. Okay, you thought that was janky. What about a riding lawnmower? Transporting military vehicles. Okay, go ahead. I'm ready. Let's see. See if I can give you a hand. Yeah, I'll stop it from swinging. Okay. Yep. Okay, I'll go down and catch her. Okay, stop right there. I gotta figure out, I gotta open this door a little higher. Hold on a second. All right, how's that? We got that. We got that. Yeah. Okay. Woo! How's that? All right. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh.
Great deal.
We're making memories, man.
Of course.
All right, here we go. Okay, come on down. Okay, so we've got a bunch of these industrial carts up there. This particular one happens to be boogered up pretty good, but the remainder of them are in okay condition. Yeah, you can see it got damaged right there, but I think I've got 3 or 4 of these, and then 3 or 4 more of a different kind, and then a bunch of these, but I'm gonna keep these around because they're so useful in the factory, so. Okay. Okay, so we were moving some old plumbing fittings, and we came across this little guy here. He's the new mascot of the Brown Shoe Factory. He is a perfectly fossilized, or not fossilized, I guess he was mummified, I'm not sure, bird. The skeleton is complete. Isn't that amazing? It looks like a chicken. So the feet bones, it's 100% complete skeleton. Amazing. Okay, I know somebody who will love that. Okay, so I've got something to show you. When you look at that, I'm guessing you're thinking that is one heck of a mess. And it is, but I couldn't be more thrilled. This is actually 3 solid weeks of work just to get this cleared out. When we first came here, there was just a narrow little aisle you could pass through. That's all cardboard there. And I think I've taken 10 piles that big out of here. And so we're boiling it down, we're processing it, and you can actually move around in here. So That's super exciting. And it looks like a mess to you, but it looks beautiful to me because I know all the work that has gone in so far. And we're not there yet by any means, but look at all that amazing light. These windows are gigantic, and I think this would be like a really cool photography studio or something. Who knows? So I know that some of you are looking forward to some information about our upcoming auction, so I do have one quick announcement to make about that, and I want to tell you about that when I get downstairs. So okay, so here we are. As I mentioned, we're gonna do an auction, and for those of you who've been kind of following the channel, I alternate between here and living overseas in Poland. And as it turns out, 8 weeks is just not enough to do everything that we have to do to process all this stuff for the auction. So we're not gonna be able to have it at the end of the month like we thought. So, because there's just way too much stuff to bring down from the 3rd floor, and it's a really slow process. Here's kind of a quick view of our progress, and it's just a portion of what came down from the 3rd floor. So we're going to keep working on that. I'll be heading back to Poland here pretty soon, and then Christmas is going to be here, and then so I think the first early spring I'm going to come back and spend another 5 or 6 weeks getting all that stuff out of the 3rd floor, and we will have our auction. So I'll keep you all posted, and we'll actually, leading up, another reason we're pausing is so that we can get the word out, so that enough people can be here to make the auction worth doing. So that'll give me also some time to make videos about the stuff that's going to be in it, and show all that stuff off so that you guys can follow along with that. You'll know what's going to be for sale, and you can decide whether it's worth coming or not for you. So that's all for today, and feel free to message me in the comment section if you have any questions. So I like hearing from everybody. So all right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.